What's up guys, it's Juggler23451 here from Overclock.net forums, and I'm done with my computer finally with cable management and all that good stuff, so let's check out my case with the UV lighting in it first. Alright, there's the UV lights right there, and then right below it, it's the tubes and all the good stuff. It's like a UV orange color, and then when I pop it open it might be less UV, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, that's good. But that's the color. It's like a UV orange color. Looks pretty cool in my opinion. And there's a glowing E right there. Alright, turn on the light. Okay, let me take this off real quick. One light, two light. Pop the side panel off. Then turn that light on. Alright, here's the inside. Zooming in all the good stuff. Up top, as you can see, you see that yellow cable? That's powering the CPU right there, and I have two of those plugged in. I drilled holes in the back of the motherboard to hide the wires so they're not everywhere. And over here you can tell behind the hole where all the wires are, where I hid for cable management and all that good stuff. And there's my pump right there. And then there's my DVD drive, my Western Digital Caviar Black Edition, my two GTX 260s and SLI, my 1000 watt power supply, and for little cable management, just bust out some zip ties, make them all nice and tidy. Do a little close-up shot of that. And then just scroll down. Here's my fan controller right here for my Silverstone fans. My ECP controller held down by zip ties, and then below it is my DVD drive, and then the hard drive fan. Now in the back, it's not so pretty, but I need to bring the light over here. As you can tell, it's pretty bad, but it works, and the side panel shuts, so that's good, right? As long as it works. And that's pretty much it for my case. Here's the 27-inch at a little better angle. It's all that goodness right there, and I think that's about it, really. And thanks guys for watching the video. Please rate the video, comment, subscribe, and if you have any questions, go ahead and shoot and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you and have a good day.